Good morning. It's Wednesday, August the 19th, 2015. It's about 7:30 in the morning and we're getting ready to go to Athens to do some shopping and return the chainsaw. There's a hawk up there, sitting right there on the tree limb. A hawk. There's a valley with the fog this morning. Burger King. Larry's been to Lowe's and exchanged the chainsaw. And then we went to Family Dollar. And now we're here at Walmart. So, making progress. Got some markers. Embroidery floss I needed at Joann's. And I found some artificial flowers at the Dollar Tree. Used to be the post office. Miller's Chicken. Boy, that's been there a long time. Miller's Chicken. It's the fairgrounds. Buddy's gone home. Fair's over. A good time was had by all. We're back at Larry's dog house. Because it's Wednesday and Larry wants a hot dog. We're sitting here in a church parking lot eating lunch. And Larry's having his hot dog and my livers are gone.
Thank goodness.
But it's pretty out through there.
Yeah. Hi.
We put flowers on Mom and Dad's grave, but I forgot to take the camera down there. We put some flowers on Jerry's grave. That was for Reba and Aaron, his kids, since they don't get to come up very often. It's raining. It's 5:10 p.m. Brought Larry in out of the woods. I got noodles cooking in the pot. This is one of the tomatoes we bought this morning. One of my favorite kind. Yellow and red. Tastes really good. It's about 8:45 and time to end the vlog. I just talked to Linda and to Betty and got caught up on news from them. And it's just time to call it a day. So good night. God bless.